Hello, it's Christmas time. Uh, I went to Walmart and bought a tripod stand to use for my videos. So today I'm going to take you through unboxing my tripod stand with a cradle for a camera and a smartphone. So let's go. So this is the tripod stand. It can be as tall as 17.8 inches, and you can make it as long as 52 inches. I think the company that makes them is called Focus, but I bought this from Walmart at $20. It wasn't so expensive. So it has a picture of the stand, the company, and it says tripod. Let's see properly. It's tripod with a smartphone cradle. It has instructions out there. So we are going to unbox. So it's kept, the tripod is kept in a bag. This one you can use it to carry it around. Inside it has some parts of the tripod and a guide to guide you in how to fix and use. So we have the adjustable locking smartphone cradle. This one can adjust to fit your different smartphones. And then we have the tripod itself. This one is that long. You can see it. And then we have the quick release plate. The quick release plate is here. It's already mounted, but this is what it is. And we have action camera mount, which is this one. You use it to mount on the tripod, this part. So, getting to know our tripod. So that's the full tripod at 17.8 inches. So what we need to know is that it has a quick release plate lever, which is this one over here. This lever here. Make it stable first. is used to fix the quick release plate. You fix the quick release plate here by opening the tripod. You open this one so that you can fix this. Let's see how it goes. So this is what happened. This is the quick release lever. Then you place the stand. Okay, then you place your cradle here. So once you fix your camera on the cradle, you fix it on the stand over here. Oops. Falling down. So this is the quick release plate lever, which is used to release this one here or place it. And this is the mount for the cradle. You can bring it back. And then this is the pan and tilt knob, locking knob. So if you want to lock your tripod, you can lock with this. So when you lock it, it's not going to move. Allow it to be locked. It locks it for you. Then we have the pan and tilt handle. This handle over here. Yeah, if you have your camera or phone over here, you can turn it forwards, backwards, and you can control it with this pan and tilt handle. You see, it's now locked up. You open, it can turn backwards and to wherever you want, because you can unlock here and you can use this to turn around to where you want. So you can turn it to the front, back and forth. Then it has the leg extension lock. These are the legs. So these are extension locks. If you want to extend longer, you want to double for all of them. Yeah, as long as you want. And you lock. You can decide to only open one and you lock, or you open both, then you lock, so that it does not move around. And then we have the leg brace. And to open up, these are the leg braces. So this is how you use your adjustable looking smartphone cradle. This one will help you to adjust to the size of your phone. Then you close it and you mount it. Mount over here. But what you can do is you mount first. Then you put your phone. Yeah, you're good to go. Your camera can make it loose. Turn it around. Open this one. Can go backwards, front. Can open and remove your phone. And remove this one, the phone cradle. And if you want to open this, you use this knob over here and it opens. And then you can secure it. So if you have a camera, you place this one. This is for camera holding. So you can come with your camera now and you place it over here. Just like in the picture here. The picture here is very clear on how the camera is mounted. You place your camera here after using this stand. Thank you for watching my unboxing of my tripod stand. I believe I'm now going to be making more videos. You're welcome to watch my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye. Yes, my people, I did not mount the camera stand because I do not have a camera. I'm thinking of buying a camera, and please write for me in the comment section. Is GoPro the best or Canon camera? When I was in Walmart, I could see Canon was looking nice. I hear people talk of GoPro, so I'm undecided which one to buy. For now, I'm still using my camera, my phone. I hope to buy a camera soon when I make a decision. Thank you for coming to watch my videos. Now that I have a tripod stand, we are going to make better videos. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. See you in the next video.